British government enforced the Act of 1999 instead of rejection by main political party Indian National Congress, and it conducted election in 1921. Congress boycotted it, but so many political parties participated in it, and so many Indians become ministers. Within 4-5 years, government came in pressure of Congress to give a new constitution for India. And now the beginning of making of a new constitution, a new act for India started in 1927. The Act of 1909 was mainly based on parliamentary reform, that is, Viceroy and Secretary of State, report given by Viceroy Marley, Minto, and Secretary of State Marley. And 1919, Act of 1919 was based on report given by Montagu Chelmsford, the then Viceroy, and Montagu, Secretary of State. But for the Act of 1935, British government started efforts very consciously and very minutely. At first, it gave challenge to Indian National Congress to form, to not only Indian National Congress, but all political parties in India to form their own constitution. And they formed in the, as Motilal Nehru report, but it cannot be accepted by all parties. It failed. British government started its efforts by sending Simon Commission in India, and after that a series of efforts by British government. On the other hand, Congress started a mass movement in the name of civil disobedience movement in the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and Congress demanded complete independence, पूर्ण स्वराज। 1919 के कानून को कांग्रेस ने अस्वीकृत कर दिया था, इसके बावजूद भी ब्रिटिश सरकार ने इसको लागू किया और 1921 में चुनाव कराए गए। तमाम पार्टियों ने इसमें भाग लिया और अनेक भारतीय विभिन्न प्रांतों में मंत्री भी बने। लेकिन 5-6 साल के अंदर ब्रिटिश सरकार को आवश्यकता महसूस होने लगी कि भारत के लिए एक नया संविधान देना अपेक्षित होगा। इसने इसकी कवायद 1927 से ही शुरू कर दी। पहले इसने भारतीयों को भी एक चुनौती दी कि आप संविधान बना के दो, आप सहमत बना के दो, हम उसको लागू करेंगे। विभिन्न राजनीतिक दलों ने नेहरू रिपोर्ट दिया, लेकिन नेहरू रिपोर्ट पर सहमत नहीं बनाई जा सकी, एंड इट फेल्ड। Simon Commission came in India to talk with Indians and to give a new constitution, but Indian National Congress boycotted it. लेकिन भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस ने इसको बाइकआउट कर दिया और पूर्ण स्वराज की मांग कर दी और पूर्ण स्वराज की प्राप्ति के लिए सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन शुरू कर दिया 1930 में। On the other hand, after the report of Simon, British Parliament discussed and round table conference was convened in 1931. But Congress boycotted. Congress not sent its representative in round table conference. Government become bound to talk with Congress, and a talk with Gandhi and Irwin took place, and an agreement Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place On the basis of that agreement, Gandhi went England to participate in second roundtable conference. In second roundtable conference, Gandhi ji stand very hardly and very confidently for Swaraj, and he was against all type of creation of differences by British government, British Prime Minister Macdonald. Second round table also failed. Gandhiji returned back. Third round table conference held. There was much difference between Indian National Congress and British government. Ultimately, British government passed the Act of 1935 after exercise of almost 7-8 years and without satisfying Indian National Congress, and even the communal question was raised. British government also tried to divide Hindus. Ambedkar demanded separate electorate and British government accepted that. But Gandhiji went on fast and pressurized Ambedkar to accept reservation instead of separate electorate. And after Pune Pact, British government became bound to accept reservation of seats to scheduled caste instead of separate electorate to them. They were trying to divide our Dalit class with Hindus. Gandhiji hammered that, and Gandhiji succeeded in convincing British government and Dr. Ambedkar to remain in Hindus and don't be separate with Hindus. He allowed other political parties to give more reservation to our downtrodden. Thus, after that, the Act of 1935 came, but it was also not acceptable to Congress and even not acceptable to Jinnah. But later on, they participated in election. We will see in our next video.